Alright, this is a quick little video with aircraft flying overhead because that's where I live. People keep asking about the 6-wheel drive. Is it okay? How's it going? What's going on? Well, at the moment, I am waiting for replacement 24-volt batteries, or at least two 12-volt batteries to make a 24-volt string. Some stuff is degrading in the weather. I need to check that out. There is still a water leak in the front I haven't quite found. There are some little rust bits in there that I need to look at. There's a lot to go on. I do need to do oil changes and stuff. I have multiple sclerosis, which means energy can be limited from time to time, and of late it has been limited and stresses have been high, so I haven't done a whole lot with it. Yes, it's still here. No, I haven't sold it. The Argo is parked under the carport. I do need to get the trailer resprayed and stuff. My budget is also a bit limited for things like that, so that has to happen too. I've got to wait around pension payments and all sorts of stuff. I am thinking about following a battery company and seeing if they'll sponsor me for a couple of batteries and the required stuff that I'm going to need to do to change over to lithium, because the 24-volt alternator in this is not going to handle the float charging requirements of lithiums. Now, one thing that did happen a while ago when we bumped into another vehicle and wrinkled the quarter panel with the bull bar, which is over in the junk pile over there, was to have the replacement quarter panel. I've got to do that change as well. Has been a lot to do. We also have the blackout lights that I need to seek approval before I put back on. Forby has a lot of work to be done. Trailer probably needs a little bit of work. Argo needs a bit of work. Need to do an oil change in that. I am only one person. And I've been doing daily videos as well. So I'm a little bit exhausted lately. So sorry guys if I haven't been able to keep up. But thought I'd just record a short video, show you what's going on with everything. Let you know that yes, we still have it. It's okay. Another thing that I have to contact a person about, I've got lined up, replace the bushes in the suspension under here. I have a whole set. I've just got to find the guy that can help me hoik the back up and pop the bushes out. Anyway, I hope it's okay, and yes, don't freak out. I still have it. It's still here, not going anywhere. Well, it will be once we get batteries. But anyway, we'll talk to you all when that's ready to go.